All right, welcome back. We're joined by Julian Sanders from London Drugs, and you have a very, very cool uber fancy tool for us. It's called the Livescribe. Tell us a little bit about it. Basically, essentially, it's a pen with a computer inside.
That's right, yeah. So it's basically a combination voice recorder and pen that you use to handwrite all day, and then you can sync that back to your computer.
Wow.
So that's just kind of the basics. There's been many different smart pens out before, and for actually quite a long time. A lot of people are getting into them now because they can use them so easily. The technology's become much better.
Right. So this is something that's sort of new to the market. I'm not too sure if a lot of people are aware of it. I mean, today this is my first time hearing about it. Is it popular in the business community? Is it popular for students? I mean, who would use this?
It's more popular in business now than ever before.
Okay.
They're popping up in a lot of big industry because crown corporations have really adopted them. So they are using them to easily share and collaborate with many different people.
Wow.
It removes the need for a laptop, which has different issues, like the battery might die on you, for instance. So you can use this with just a pen and paper notebook all day, sync it back, and then it will even learn your handwriting over time and type very accurately what you hand wrote.
Crazy what technology can do. Can you show us? Can you give us an example on air here?
One of the different things it can do is applications. There's apps that have been written for it, just like for your smartphone.
Right.
And the one demo that I brought with me today is that it can translate what you write. So I have here the notebook, and basically you can just hit the word you just wrote, and it will talk it in Spanish.
Wow, that's amazing.
So that's one of the applications for educational, to help teach you.
Right, and you can, we were talking before this in the commercial break, and it's a lot of different languages. It's not just Spanish.
Right. Yeah.
You can pick French or Mandarin or...
Yep, and there's actually about 140 languages that you can buy for apps to do it. Another example of an app that you might want is educational for math. It can teach you very advanced math formulas if you're getting more into accounting, that kind of thing.
Wow.
So the possibilities really are limitless once you sync it to the internet. There's a popular note sharing service called Evernote.
Okay.
And basically it's a place online that you can put your notes and share them very quickly and easily with everybody you know. So if you were working on a script with somebody, you could email out links to somebody else, and it's very painless to set up. There's no advanced technical knowledge. So something like the Livescribe Smartpen can sync with Evernote, and you can really quickly share it.
Yeah, that's perfect. And the way it works is it just a USB. You connect it.
That's right, yeah.
USB cord.
Yep, and it voice records all day too, so it'll sync your voice with your handwritten notes.
So is the software for this Livescribe, it just comes with the pen and then you
That's right, yeah.
It?
On the screen there's an example of just a sample note that I wrote, and it'll show you everything that you wrote all day, right? So basically you could have taken this, copy-pasted it to an email if you needed to.
Okay, perfect. That is very, very exciting. Julian Sanders, always a pleasure to have you on the show. And just one more thing, if anyone wanted to pick one of these up, London Drugs, how much are they?
They started around $150.
Okay, and then go up from there.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks.
Right now we'll go to your entertainment headlines with eTalk.